So I'm excited to be here. It's my first time at the national level. So I'm settling into the team and building my confidence with the players around here. I'd say first of all it's a privilege to be here in the camp. I was excited and I got to know. And when I play, yeah, it's heavy, but then I feel like as time goes on, I'm going to be able to, hold up the weight. And yeah, I thank God. I can't stress that enough. I really thank God for how far He's brought me from playing at the Edgar's youth program here for quite a while. I moved on to Kenya, played with Generation Shopwood for some time, and then after a couple of trials, I got to go to the UK, where I now play. So really, I can't really say that it's only by my strength that I've got to this point. Yes, I've worked hard and I've trained, but I really thank God, because I know He's the one that brought me to this level here.
I'm very happy for this another opportunity, and I have more things to do at this level. By the time I saw the list, I was so excited actually, because maintaining it is not easy. Like it has passed actually a year before the time we were here. We were played under 15, and I've come back again for under 17.